Hello guys and welcome back to one more interesting video. So why this is an interesting video? Because we are going to download Kali Linux in your PC without losing any data, any data with Windows dual boot, okay, and how to do it you will show in this video. So please watch the video till end and do subscribe to my channel and like this video now. And you're thinking to download in the VirtualBox Kali Linux, so I suggest you that if you have RAM 16 GB or 8 GB RAM, you can download in VirtualBox. But if you have 2 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM computer, so sorry, you can actually it will lag too much, and in another case it will not install or it will get any problem. Okay, so I suggest you that please, if you have 2 or 4 GB computer, so you just need to download in your PC, okay, with the Windows dual boot, because you don't need to lose your Windows, that's why. So how to do it, let's see. Okay, so first I just want to give your requirements that you will need to install Kali Linux. Okay, first is pen drive. Okay, you need a pen drive. A minimum GB you need is 8 GB. Okay, you cannot install in 4 GB or 2 GB because it will not install. Okay, and we need to bootable this pen drive. So first we will uh, learn how to make bootable. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so first you need to go to your web browser. I'm using Chrome, so you just need to type your first, okay, just enter it and you will get this first link. Just open it and just scroll down, and you just need to install. Okay, you just need to install it now, and it is small. If you close that, it will download it. So you can see this, it's a small software actually to make bootable pen drive. The second link is go to the Kali official website, that is kali.org. Just go there and go to downloads. And just scroll down, and yeah, you will get this. It is the latest version till now. Okay, so it's Kali Linux 2020.1.2. so it is for 64-bit also, 32 bits also, and it is for Mac OS also, I mean Apple. And this the installer of 32-bit. If you want to install 32-bit, you can install it, but I suggest 64-bit. And for installing this is you can also download in torrent. Okay, so click here and it will ISO file will download it. So I have already installed my ISO file, so I am cancelling it. Okay, and if you want to see how is Kali Linux 2020.1.2, so click here and you will just read it out, or you just visit. You can know you if you want to check. I don't want to check it. So, and the second thing is you need to open the download folder. Okay, that is this. So I just need to install. So I just press on it, install. Okay, and it's administrator, and just allow it and click on yes, and yeah, it will open like this. And now you input your pen drive. Okay, now you input your pen drive. That is this is 16 GB pen drive. Okay, I'm just importing it. Yeah, so I have already installed Windows in that, so it is showing that. But yeah, and if you have download the Kali Linux ISO file, it will look like this. You can say this, I have already installed Kali Linux 2021.1 it is. Okay, and just select it and I have put in the desktop. So yeah, it's there. I just open it, and yeah, it is done. And just start GPT here. Okay, GPT select GPT, and if you want to write your volume name, you can write it out. I will type Linux 2020.1.1. okay, and done. Okay, 64. I'll just type it out. Okay, so, and if you press on the start first, you need, it will give you that ISO file. Okay, so just okay, and if he is giving warning that it will format your whole pen drive, so tell it okay, and if you have any data, so restore it or backup it. Okay, so I have formatting out, so it's doing, and till now we should do but the main thing that we need to do. Okay, just main step is here. Okay, just right click, left click on it on Windows symbol and go to disk management. Okay, disk management, so it's opening. Okay, so this is the main C drive that is install your Windows. Okay, so just left click on it and just go to sync volume and just wait for some few minutes. It will open it out. Okay, so now you need to put the MD, that how much GB you want. Okay, so I went 100 GB, so I just type 10000 and 0, so it will be 100 GB, I think. So let me see it, and let me just check it. Okay, so it's 100 GB, so let's sync it out, and the total after syncing is this much GB you will have in the Windows. You can, it is your wish to type 100 GB or 200 GB, so just shrink it out. And yeah, it is showing 97 GB, but it's okay. And just right click on it and just, so left click on it and just tap new volume, simple new volume, and yeah, you will get this, and just next it and just next it. And if you want to select any name, so I just tell M. Okay, and after that next, and then next, and then finished. Okay, it's formatting, and yeah, you have made this, and we will install this in Linux. Okay, we will install Linux in this partition. So yeah, it's doing, so I'm just pausing my video. Okay, if you have done this, first you need to install Rufus and Kali Linux ISO file, and then just do this, and then this partition, and just complete this. And I'm just pausing this video, and so okay, so after you complete this, it will show you ready. Okay, and make sure you have done the partition of your Windows, of your PC, sorry, not Windows. Okay, and this is the ISO file I just put here, and let me just, after that you just need to do shutdown, no, shutdown or just restart it. Okay, so let me just close everything and just restart it. So okay, so make sure you have done the partition and just close it out and just restart your computer, and make sure your pen drive is inserted. So I'm just restarting out, you can see this restarting out. Yeah, it is restarting out, and wait for restarting out. now, subscribe to my channel and like this video now. Okay. So yeah, and need to press your bootable menu key. Okay, my menu key is F12. Yeah, and if you have any HP, so it is will be EASC, and if you have any company laptop or PC, just Google it out and just type the menu key or just boot menu key of your company. Okay, so I have installed this in Kali Linux. I have downloaded Kali Linux in this pen drive, and if you have this option UEFI, just press on that, and then will read the pen drive company and the GB total. Okay, just enter it out, and the Kali main is coming, and it is come. So now you just need to do that. You just need to press graphics install. Okay, just install it, because that is a easy one to install that, and with the Windows bootable. Okay, just enter it and just wait for doing, and do not pick out your pen drive. Okay, and yeah, it is asking for language. And you just need to select English. I hope you have seen clearly. Yeah, so, and after that you just press continue, and United States or India, I am Indian, so Indian, continue, and American English, yes, continue, and it is deleting the installed media. It can take time. Okay, not death's time. Okay, just wait for that minute, 10 minutes, and yeah, it will also configure your network. So if you want to give, you can just give it out, and yeah, it is removing media, so tell yes. Okay, and deleting the hardware, directing the hardware, not deleting. Okay, network hardware, and yes, just press no and continue. That is configure the network. Mine is Ethernet, so it is connected actually. Okay, it's configuring the network. So wait for doing that, and yeah, if you want to host name Kali, you type Kali. I want Kali only, so you can type it your other name also, your name or anything. Just press continue, and the domain name just keep it out and press continue. Yeah, and just type your full name. So I'm just typing, this is your username. Okay, so just remember it. So it will ask for to log in. So alpha, my name, my YouTube channel name will, I just type it out, alpha star. Okay, and just press continue. Don't forget your username. Okay, don't forget your username, and this is my username. Make sure you have done in small the username. Okay, the username you have to do all in small, because you can remember it out, and just press continue, and just type your password, and remember your password, because it will ask for that. So let me just enter my password. Okay, so let me just see my password, and yes, remember your password and username, and just press continue, and after that it is directly to the disk. This is the main step of the Kali Linux. If you miss it, you can format your hard drive also. Okay, so you just need to go to manual. Okay, just see it clearly. Go to manual. Your default will be large container free space, but go to the manual option. Okay, and just press continue. Press continue, and you will get the whole. This is your pen drive. Okay, just see it clearly, and in this you have free space, but we cannot install in this because it is 1 MB only. And in this you have Windows, and okay, so in this we will install Kali Linux. Okay, in this we will install Kali Linux. In this I have my Windows actually, and this we will install the Kali Linux. It's hashtag 4 and it's total this. Okay, so you just need to go and just click it out and just continue it after selecting this 4. Okay, just continue this. This is the main step. Okay, just don't forget that. If you forgot, you can just format your disk also. So just continue and the basic partition, and just go to the delete partition and continue it. And yeah, it is a free space. Just continue, create a new space, means new partition, and just continue, and give the disk that is 10 GB. For Kali Linux need that because to install some data. So first type 10 GB. Okay, then continue, then type beginning, and then yeah, it has done. And go to the as uses, so continue it again. Okay, go to continue, and then go down and just give the swap area, select swap area, and then continue it. Okay, and this is your swap area, and just done set up the partition, and just continue it. And yeah, you will get the swap and this, and we will install this. In this Kali Linux 94 GB 0.9 we will install Kali Linux, and just it is free space. So and continue it, and create a new partition you have. Okay, just continue it, and just this is the default 94 GB.1.9. just continue it, and after that just go to this and make sure that you have selected this as a extract for file. Okay, and make you have point this as is mine. Just see it and just do it in your computer. If it is not, then do it. Okay, then done. And yeah, we will install this in Kali Linux. Okay, this is for booting the Kali Linux, this slash. Okay, this slash option. So yeah, we will do that, and just type continue and done partition, and just go down and just select finish partition and write these two. Okay, just continue it, and yeah, if you go into this page and just yes it out, yes, so yes, it is giving that you have selected the two partition, that is 10 GB and just 94 GB 0.9. Sorry, that will be format it out. Okay, just type yes and then continue it, because we have selected the disk that is already format, there is no data in that, so it will format it out. So I'm just pausing this video because it will take a lot of time to install the system. So once the system is installed, I will just resume it. Okay, till now just subscribe to my channel and like the video now. Okay, so I just pause it out. Okay, so it is now installed, and it is now showing installing the software. Okay, it will automatically do it, so don't worry. And yeah, you will get it is showing that which software you do want to install in Kali Linux. Okay, so I just want to install the large default section plus addition tools. I just want to have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 just. Okay, if you want to do all, then you can just select all, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, and just I have just select it out and just continue it, and now it is installing the software, and it will take a bunch of time. It is more than half an hour, so take a break and drink coffee or anything you just want. Okay, it will take a lot of time, but it is showing 1 minute and 30 seconds, but it is just fake. Okay, just install it, and after installing I just meet you. Until now you have not subscribed, then subscribe it. Okay, please. And yes, I just forgot to tell you that while installing, just don't off your computer or don't shut down, means don't switch off your computer, because it will damage your whole computer actually. So don't do this. Okay, and after you will get a whole restart if you done off to your computer. Okay, so do not do that. Okay, so after installing I'll just meet you. And also you do not remove your computer. Okay, oh sorry, not computer or your pen drive. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so my all software is installed, and now it is installing good bootloader, and yeah, it is finishing the installation now. So I just finished it. It will take time, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm telling a lot of times, so please subscribe it. Okay, and just wait for 3 seconds or few minutes. My bootloader also has been installed, and now it is showing that finishing installation, finishing completed. Okay, and install the boot and look करने. I'm sorry. Whichever you have boot on hide your pen drive, just remove it. And the system will restart that only. So I just have removed it. I can show you. I have removed it. Okay, and now just press continue. Okay, and just finish installation. Yeah, it is that coding type, and yeah, and now just wait. Yeah, and if you want to go to Windows, you can select this for going Windows, but first we will, sorry, is blurred. Yes, if you want to go to Windows, you will select Windows Boot Manager if you want to go to Windows, and if you want to go to Kali Linux, just enter it. I will make I will show you that how to go to Windows also. And yeah, the Kali is common, so count wait, it's a nice look of Kali. And yes, it is coming. Just wait for just few seconds or few minutes. And yeah, my phone, yeah, it's a good look. You can say this. My host name is showing you, that is Kali, and yeah, it's going out very nice. Actually, it is showing very nice. And just type your username and password. I just type it out. Okay, and now password. And just now and or log in it, and now it will come. And yeah, it is a nice look by Kali official. Oh, it's looking damn nice. You can see it out. and this is my volume. I have already on your volume mic, and this is my terminal. And yes, it is looking damn nice. It is showing Alphonse your username and then Kali. You can see this. And if you want to root it, means root access to root, so you can check it my video. I have already make a video on that. Okay, I will give in I button or in this description. And now I will just show you how to boot Windows. Okay, how to boot your Windows. It is, you can the look of Kali Linux. You can see this. It is 2020.1.1. Okay, you can update it out also by typing apt just get sorry, it is for root. Okay, and you need to type sudo apt get update. Okay, and just this is the command to update it. See this is the command to update it, and just enter it, and just giving the password. You just give it. Okay, I don't want to do now. I just show you how to boot Windows. Okay, just go to logout. Just go to and just restart your computer. And yeah, and after that it will come and just press Windows Boot Manager. Okay, just press Windows Boot Manager and just enter it. And yeah, Windows is loading, but it is showing Kali and Windows this, but don't scare because it is going to install Windows only. So wait for doing it. And just Windows is coming. Just wait. And yes, it's coming. Please wait. So you know it is for Windows only. Let me just boot the Windows. And yeah, my Windows has come. You can see it is beautiful actually. And yeah, also on star. Let me just give the password. And yeah, my Windows has come. Okay, that is all. You can see this was the ISO file we have installed it. Okay, so I have. Okay, so guys, I hope that you have installed Linux in your PC. So if you have any doubt, so comment me down and like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Okay,